Hey guys, it's Layla. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you're well. And today I'm bringing you a requested video, a head wrap tutorial. Okay, we're doing duku today. Today I'm going to show you 2 dukus that I did from my previous videos, like couple videos section that you guys have requested. But before we get into that, if you have not watched my last video, okay, a black girl's guide to therapy, like plant therapy, definitely check out the video I posted. I wanted to bring some healing in this time of chaos, essentially. We're unpacking a lot of feelings. We're unpacking a lot of emotions, and that can be really overwhelming. So I wanted to just provide an escape from that, and also just share something that I love dearly, which is like looking after my plant babies. Okay, so check it out. If you are new to the channel or you don't know, I do have a couple of head wrap tutorial videos. I will also link them there. Definitely check them out. There's one that has duku in the title, and basically in that video I just explain like the cultural relevance of me wearing head wraps. As a Hausa Ashanti woman, we wear duku. Like, duku is part of what we do, and it's really important to me that I express my ethnicity and my cultural lineage, the blood that flows through me. Not just through my words, not just through my actions, but just like, you know, visually as well. I am like, you know, I am an African woman, I'm a black woman, and yeah. Alright, I'm going to keep my hair back, because I think in that picture I had my hair back anyway. So we'll have a little bump in the back, but that's okay. And I'm just going to tuck my ends in. Okay. So I'm not quite sure how big this fabric is, or this scarf is, but it's quite large. I'm pretty as a runway model with no morals. Young and rude is so hollow, I'm full throttle. I've been shallow. All that's missing is the bezel, and I'm so thorough that I'm double daring. And you want this slightly to the side. Usually, if you are doing like a big top knot, you would have this more central, but I don't know if you guys can tell, it's slightly to the side. It's quite a huge scarf. I don't twist it all the way down because it's unnecessary. Just to get on my level, dark skinned nigga, don't take me lightly. I got too many combos and styles for you to fight me like the lips on hold. I got big right up under their nose. It's no coincidence that I'm the child of destiny chose. Sweet as a rose, but as cold as the concrete. It's no surprise that I'm packing this much heat. It could get crazy on a night like this. I could get rich off every single one of these dimes I kiss. Sickness and with every rhyme I flip. And then if you have any bits that you are unhappy with or are sticking out, you just want to stick those back in. I don't usually go in and do my edges ever. I just like them to do what they be doing, but you can go ahead and slick them at this point if you want. I could blow up every time I tick. You could never try rewrite my script. No matter the style that I go to, I'm Goku. I'm just saying. And you just want your hair at the top of your head. Okay. And you don't want it high. Like I don't want like a high bun or anything like that. I want it quite low. Okay. So like that. Is that okay? Then you just want to once again go find your central point in your scarf. All right. Once again, we bring it forward. Literally like you're doing a turban. All right. And how high your bun is will determine like how high this thing is. So we leave this tendril.
Better with every win. Oh, where to begin? Could never box me in. Try to catch me, it's like trying to catch the wind. I'm just saying, my cut the verse, the music speaks for itself. Ay, the art is fun, but I need it for health. Ay, they love to be seen, but I'm beating with stealth. And I'm dancing with the devil, and I tangle without missing a step.
Ring the alarm, I'm ready the most here.
I like to tuck my widow's peak in, but you don't have to. Okay. And this is literally the same wrap that I had in that video. And we're going to change the earrings, okay? This is what it looks like.
Kid is a ghost there. You want a wave, but I'm the ocean. Just crack the case, I got 'em open. Yeah, ring the alarm, I'm ready the most.
Well, the one I had in my last video is the final one. And I was initially going to take down my twist so that I could have like the afro at the top, but I washed my hair yesterday and these twists are fresh and I don't feel like taking them down because they feel so moisturized, girl. Okay, moisturized. If you're looking for moisture in your hair so your twist be looking all juicy, sweetie, okay, look, oh sweetie, like look at that. Honey, look at them ends, honey. If you're interested in my moisture, okay, if you're interested in my moisture routine, I have a video. I will also link that you can check it out. So we're gonna pretend that my hair's in an afro, okay? For the puff that I had in that video, I literally just took my hair, right? And I brought it to the surface. To the top of my head like that, okay? And as for this one, okay, we can have some kind of messy bun situation. You guys see me well, just imagine like curly fro just flourishing, okay? Kinky fro flourishing, okay? Coily fro flourishing. We're all flourishing, okay? And once again, you find your central point of your scarf, and because this is like a open enclosure type wrap, you want to fold it twice, okay, just like you do usually for all your scarves, but you want to fold it again. So we're going to fold it over itself. You're going to fold it over itself once, and then you're going to fold it over itself again, so you have like a thinner piece like that, okay? You bring it around the back. Okay, so I bring it forward, and then once we have it nice and secure, you just want to twist it. So your first couple of twists you want tight, and then the rest can be looser. Okay, it looks better if it's looser. You don't want it tight all the way. However, you do want it tight at the beginning to secure it.
Fresh to death, kid is a ghost there. You want a wave, but I'm the ocean. Just crack the case, I got 'em open.
We just tuck it in. So you can do this even if your hair isn't in like a puff. Okay, so hope you guys can see that this is exactly how I had it in that video. But of course, like I said, my hair was out. But what you can do is even with your twist, you can still kind of have it looking, maybe not like that, but yeah. So this still looks cute. Okay, and I always like my head wraps to cover my ears. Not in their entirety because I wear earrings, but the majority of it. I like how secure it feels when it does that. Okay. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this chitty chatty tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. You know, all that good stuff. What else? Share it with your friends. I don't know, share it with your mama. Yeah, I'll catch you on the next one.